Thank you. Good morning, friends. This is Anu Gupta from Daily Moneymaker, my YouTube channel. Friends, this is my third video related to Bank Nifty weekly option selling. In previous two video, I just means told you how to sell or short Bank Nifty options call or put or both to earn profit on weekly basis. Dear friends, this video is related only one side selling, not hedging. In the previous two video, I just told you how to hedge your positions to save if market reverse in both direction. Dear friend, this strategy is 99% profitable if you calculate it on the paper, and then you can check it and you can also track with the charts. Dear friend, this is a candle chart of 1 week for Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty option, Bank Nifty. You can check it, dear friends. This is a Heikin-Ashi chart or weekly chart, means each candle represent 1 week. Dear friend, you can check it when means Bank Nifty in uptrend. You can check this is a March month, March, May, June, July, August, September, November, December. And this is a January in 2017. You can check from March to September. Bank Nifty constantly move in upward direction. It means from 14,000 or means 13,500 it made a low. Means after that it just constantly move up direction. You can check, and each weekly candle show in each week it made a new high and continuously moving to upward direction. So what you have to do in this strategy, dear friend, when to start in this strategy and how to trade in this strategy. Uh, this strategy shows that this is a doji candle, and from here the market is constantly upward direction. And here it is it the some doji, two or three doji. Doji means it has a high, low, and close in green. This is a means a red doji. It means high, low, and close in red means close means red positions in negative territory. So what you have to do, dear friends, when fresh high candle means it has no low, means it don't have lower body, it constantly a body. You have to sell only put options. Mean you can start put selling from here this week, this week, this week, this week. Means whole month you just sell only put options and not sell call options. You can also buy the call option, but weekly options means Bank Nifty options weekly expire, so you can get maximum profit by selling put option. You can, if you don't have margin, then you can sell at the money option in each day or for the overnight or for the intraday, both means depend on you. If you are option seller, if you have enough margin, if you have enough margin, then go options shorting, put option shorting to get maximum profit and also get a time value decay. So this is a 4 week, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole month you have to sell put option, means each week you have to sell put option. And how to decide which put option you have to sell? For that, you just open the NSE India site, which I have also means I have already explained in my many videos in option buying or selling strategy. If you are new this, then you can means watch my previous video. You will definitely get some fresh knowledge about the option chain of Bank Nifty. So live market, you can start option chain equity derivatives. You can select Bank Nifty, and here you can select current expiry week. So what you have to do, dear friend, you just open the weekly chart. If you don't have, this is a Zero the Kite software, if you don't have account in Zero the Kite, then you can also open means market call. And I also explained this in my previous videos. If again you are new, then watch my previous video, you will definitely get information about the market call. So in the market call side, you can go in the chart section, or start NSE and here you can start Bank Nifty options and just select 4 hour chart, because here you cannot open weekly or daily chart. So the 4 hour chart is the pretty much same on the means weekly basis, means it is not accurate, but you can track it, it will work fine same as weekly chart. So here you can select 4 hour chart, and within the 4 hour chart you can check, dear friend, this is a Bank Nifty future and this is a 4 hour chart, and you can select here Heikin-Ashi candle chart. I just prefer Heikin-Ashi because it has only means two candle, green and red, and doji. It is very less wishful and confusing. So what you have to do, if you follow this chart, then what you have to do, as the market turned red, means is the candle get red, you just sell call options. And if any you can sell call option on daily basis or weekly basis. If any doji comes, you just exit from position and wait for the next candle. If any next candle come, if next candle again red, then again you can enter in the call shorting position. And if next candle is green, for example this, here this is a red candle and this is a green candle, then you can exit your call sorting position and enter into the put shorting position. And you can check these are the 2 or 3 days, means this is a 4 hour candle. 4 4 4 4 means 16 hours. It means almost 3 days candle. It means 3 days bank nifty in red territory. And this is a green candle. It means all those days bank nifty in green. And this is red candle again, then on bank nifty in means red. So what you have to do, you have to enter when any green large candle comes and it has no lower, you have to enter into the put shorting positions. And if any doji comes, it means it has lower and upper, you can you just exit your call sorting and wait for the next candle. If next candle is red, then you can enter into the call sorting. If next candle is again green, then you can again made a position in put shorting positions. Now for example, here is a red doji candle and the confirmation of the reversal pattern is again this is the next and this is again a next red doji candle. So you can enter here call shorting and exit here your position and again meta put shorting positions. And this chart shows that means if you show previous chart, again it starts short this. Here you can short the put, here you can short the call, you can here you can short the put option. You can apply this strategy on the intraday positions, you can apply this strategy in the daily basis. You can also follow this strategy for option buying, means here you can buy put options and here you can buy call option, and again for intraday and for weekly. I am not suggesting weekly option buying. Means you cannot, you should not buy option for the weekly. You can buy option for 1 or 2 days, because at the means end of the Thursday or on the Thursday, all bank nifty weekly options will expire. So this is a strategy. Again I would suggest please do paper trade to confirm this strategy, and avoid this strategy on any news, means budget session, political elections, means days, or any result session when banking result or means nifty bank nifty results comes. This is a strategy. And if you are having account in Zerodha, then you can check 1 2 3 5 or 6 month bank nifty in continuously uptrend. And September, November, and almost December is a downtrend. In January it is again an uptrend. So you can start option selling, means here you can sell put options only weekly basis. Here you can sell call option on the weekly basis. Again you can check it. So what you have to do, when any doji comes and after that next candle start green, after green doji and after a red doji, if any next red candle will start. So what you have to do, if you just confirm, if continuously doji candles come, you can wait, you can wait for the confirmation of green or red candle. Or you can sell both. In this case you can sell both call and call option and put option 500 away, which I have already told in my previous videos. So this strategy will work, means 95% or 90%. You can check it. I'm not means I'm not just going to say you just use a strategy. Just the chart says this is a technical chart. It shows the bank nifty continuously up only weekly basis for last 4 month, and down for 2 month, and again it is a 1 month. January session is almost gone. January means month is almost gone. And whole January the bank nifty is continuously in uptrend. It start journey from 18,000 and just touches to the 20,000. See, from here you can start selling put options, again sell put option, again sell put options. So in the option chain, what you how to select put option or call option sorting, you just check the maximum open interest. If you are going to short put option, you just check the daily basis maximum open interest where build up, means the traders shift their position. For example, if you are going to short put option, means yesterday the maximum open interest build up here, so you can short one lot of 19,500. Or if you want to go safe, just you can sell 19,300 put option one lot. Initially you can try on one lot, then after you can increase the lot size. So if market goes down, then you can check the maximum open interest on the call side and you can short call option. If market goes down, if you can sell put option and market goes up. Check where the market move according to the weekly chart from Kite software, or 4 hour chart, or means you can select 4 hour chart, Heiken Ashi's pattern on the market call. If you have any doubt, then you can write comments. Thank you friends.